What is happening, my people out there? You know what? I decided to make a quick video about wiring 123. Now, I used to be out in the field installing cable wires and low voltage RG59, RG6, RG11, plenum, Cat 5, Cat 3, Cat 6. And as I was in the field, you get a chance to see a lot of different wirings when it comes down to working on people's houses, because that's what I did all the time. And when I was working on people's houses, I always was checking out how they did wirings, because every time I was installing my cable, I always had to watch out for power. So when I was doing that, I always paid attention to how they was running their ground wires and how they would take their main feed in from the electrical company and run it into the circuit breaker, and then from the circuit breaker then they would run different wires to different units, like some to the washing machine, some to the lights, whatever electrical units that they was doing. So anyway, so I decided to get this book. Lots of knowledge, because I got a project that's coming up where I have to install a light fixture. So looks like I'm going to have to, number one, turn electricity off first and start doing some wiring. But when I do that type of stuff, of course I'm going to have my voltmeter. But anyway, this book here, I'm going to be like going over some stuff, and this book's pretty doggone good. The things that you can learn just from this book: changing fuses, wiring. And this is all from the Home Depot Wiring 123. And trust and believe, I've already went through the book. Great. You know, sometime I remember I had to go to college to learn some stuff. And then after picking up some of these books, going to college and getting that extra knowledge is good, and being out in the field. But I didn't get a chance to take up everything. Like electricity, I took a basic electronics, but I didn't get a chance to go and learn everything that I needed to learn on the electrical side, if you know what I mean. So this book here kind of helps you out. So I'll be covering some stuff in that coming up pretty soon. All right, peace.